Today we're going to be talking about a channel that is on Codes Nation. Don't worry, I am not going to be saying something that you already know. I have something really exciting, really futuristic that's going to be helping you. Now, what is the thing that you can basically learn from this is that channels like this, like Codes channels like this, gets good amount of views. So let's go on to Social Blade and you can see that they have 83 uploads and they are getting almost like 4.3 million views onto the last 30 days. That means what? That means they're getting 4 million views, and since it's a good amount of money they are generating. So how much money they are generating? They are generating near about $5,000 to $6,000 every single month from that. Not just that, it is just only from one source, and that is YouTube Partner Program, that is YouTube AdSense. From YouTube AdSense, they are generating this amount of money, and at the end of the video, I am going to be telling you a secret way that can help you up so that whenever you think about increasing your revenue, don't think that they're only making this amount of money. They're making more than $17,000. And how they're doing it, I'm going to be sharing with you at the end of the video. At first, let's understand that what they are doing. You can see that they are getting good amount of consistent amount of views every single day. So that means what? They're getting those amounts of views, and what they are doing basically is very simple. So you can see, don't they are using all these things. Don't work after 50 because, and all that they're using, for example, here is Nelson Mandela. You can see the quotes are coming, and after that there is a voiceover. That is, it can be a AI voiceover, it can be a real person. So they are using the voices, and then they are actually generating the videos, and they're producing the videos with the help of, it can be a single person doing it, or they're delegating the work. That means what? That means they are actually hiring freelancers or a team of freelancers together, or individually picking up freelancers who can make awesome videos just like this. And you do not need much hard work to be true. I have shared in other videos that how you can actually do, or you can make videos just like this. Not just that, now I am going to be telling you something real exciting that is going to be uplifting the game. That means what? That means these videos, you can see whenever you go onto the sort by section, you can see the most popular videos are getting like 10 months ago got 5.5 million views. You can see 4.8 million, 4.2. Now, here is the secret that I'm going to be sharing right now. What is it? It is technology by Samsung known as Samsung Megapixel. It's a neural way, that is, for example, this is the image. Let's assume this. For example, let's assume this is Tesla. Okay, this is Nikola Tesla, and just imagine this person is Nikola Tesla. For example, we have put an image of Nikola Tesla, and after that, this is you. Okay, and now what you are doing is you are using some amazing tools. For example, right now, if I just mute the whole thing up, you'll be able to see that this is the thing, that is the reaction you're getting. Basically, what we are using this form, this image, and you are actually generating with the help of your hand gestures or your face movements. With the help of that, you are actually, with the help of your facial expressions, you are generating results. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that exciting? And let's go ahead so that I can show you that with the help of all the movements, you will be getting exactly similar kind of results. That is pretty amazing to be true. Now you can see whenever you tilt your head, whenever you look at up, when you look up and down and again up, then you will be able to see that it is working really great. Not just that, whenever you look sideways, which is the most important thing. So you can see the base model up here, and it is for really complicated for some people. It's okay, just let's skip the thing so that many people will not understand. For the ones, they are, if you are interested, I'm going to be giving a link in the description below so that you can actually go onto the research paper and you can learn more things about it, and after that you can use it, you can amplify. I have got some real great results for you coming. Now you can see something. You can see here, it's Robert Downey Jr., right? Who doesn't love it? Now you can see we have taken two images, one of this person, another of this person, and this is the driver. Driver means what? Driver is the image, or that means driver is the person who is actually, we are actually comparing, or we are trying to emulate. So we are actually doing what? We are using the facial gestures of Robert Downey Jr. here and of this person here. So we are emulating the same facial expression. So you can see this is our base. So we are using that same level, and after that we are getting results just like this. And this is pretty amazing. Look at the eye movement, look at the facial expression that it is going through. Now here you can see it is just amazing, because for example you can see the jawline up here, you can see the jawline up here, which is not present here. But with the help of neural technology, with the help of AI basically, and now we can actually create MegaPortraits with the help of this, which is pretty much amazing. So you can use all of this in your content, and whenever you use it, my god, your content is gonna having so much retention. I have something really exciting waiting for you at the end of the video. Before that, you can see this is the driver and this is our base, so that you can actually see that whenever we use all of this self reenactment or something just like this, we can create some great results. So this is the high resolution results that is coming up for you. But wait for it, here is the thing. So you can see Brad Pitt up here and Mona Lisa, and you can see this is the driver. Whenever it is doing it, you are getting simultaneously, we can simulate really great things. This is the picture that I was talking about. So you can see up there that you can do something just like this for your codes channel, and you can actually get some real great results. And this is going to be so much amazing that whenever you use that, it's going to be so much happening, because your audience retention will skyrocket. Why? Because you are using something that is nobody is actually using. And now whenever you make something just like this, people are going to be getting amazed. And it is very true. Now hear me out. There are thousands of people selling different courses, I know, for thousands of dollars, or you can say for thousands of dollars, and you are not going to be getting exactly something just like this. So it is, I feel, beneficial for you, so that you can actually use. Now you can make just something just like this, and after that, whenever you use all of it, you will be able to see something really great. For example, what you can use it for, you can use all of it for different purposes. Now at the end of the video, I said that I'm going to be showing you something that is pretty amazing, and not just that, it will be really amazing to be true. For example, if I go on to amazon.com, okay, so if I go on to amazon.com for everyone, because we have a global audience and we want to help you also. So we are going to be, so here you can see it can deliver in India basically. So now whenever we go on to here, we can go on to books up here, which will be really great for us. Now we can see that we are getting amazing books. Okay, so we can sell books, right? So there are books, so you can do one thing, that is to go down up here, and you can see you can become an affiliate. So whenever you become an affiliate, you can do affiliate marketing with the help of Amazon. And since it is Amazon, the chances of conversion, that means people buying, is very much higher. Not just that, you can also do Audible. What is that? That is, you can sell audiobooks with the help of a special referral unique ID of yours. And whenever you do that, you'll be able to make much more money in terms of money, but with the help of impact that you can create on, you can see that the quality of content that you can actually make is really really high, because the quality that you're giving is actually high, and you are raising the bar basically. So whenever you raise the bar, there will be less entry barrier for some people, because they might not have that idea that is coming up in their mind. And after that, you will be able to make awesome codes to be true. Now whenever you do that, you can see you can recommend products, you can earn commissions by 3-step process. First, you have to sign up, second, you have to recommend, and the third thing is to earn money. Now, you can get 10% as associate commissions. Now, here is the trick that you can actually keep it for lifetime. And Amazon has a cookie policy of, I think, 30 days, and you will be able to make some great amount of money. So you simply need to sign up. You can see that you need to sign up, then you need to recommend onto your, you need to put the links onto your description below. Okay, don't keep it in the title section, because there are some people who just does that, and it is not a waste, it's purely a waste to be true. Now, here you can see that whenever you recommend, people buy the thing, and then you can earn commissions which is higher, which will give you much more money and much more cash flow to make better content. And whenever you rinse and repeat the process, my god, you are getting lucky, because you are making an impact that is really amazing. You are building that thing, you are actually scaling the thing, and then you are raising the bar. Basically, you are actually making this niche much more better.